Good morning, everyone. I'd like to welcome you to this module. We're going to teach you how to make, edit, and upload videos to YouTube. My name is John Bell. I have a master's in education from FAU, and in conjunction with Miss Roy, who's your boss, so pay attention, we decided to make this video for you to get you familiarized with the process to make YouTube videos. So let's get right on to it. Okay, the explosion you just heard was just so I could get your attention. Okay, the title of this module is how to shoot, edit, and upload videos to YouTube. Okay, it's prepared for you by yours truly. Okay, this is not an in-depth video. It's not going to teach you everything about making videos for YouTube. It's an overall on how it's done. If you want to know the specific points, it's up to you to Google it and find out how to use it. Okay, so now we're moving on. Drum roll, please. Okay, here's your objectives. Given access to XSPLIT broadcaster, webcams, microphones, and all the attachments, your sales force will be able to prepare a proper YouTube video and correctly edit the same. Okay? Now, after you have the video, given access to YouTube, your sales force will be able to correctly upload and add all the necessary titles, tags, and descriptions to make their video discoverable on YouTube and Google. If you want to increase your sales, this is the way to do it. You have to make your videos discoverable on YouTube. Don't hide the links. Don't save them for yourself. Let everybody find it. Let everyone see your products. Okay. The first thing you need to know is what equipment is needed to make a video. Well, I'm telling you, it's a lot simpler than what you think. Okay? Any of you have an iPhone? That'll do. How about an Android? That'll also do. Okay. You can also get away with a point and shoot camera. Today we're using a webcam similar to this to make this video. Or the beast of them all is a DSLR. Okay, now after you have the camera picked out, the next thing you need to concentrate on is the microphone. Okay, now all of these have internal microphones, but if you use them, they're not very good. They're a little tinny, and to up your audio quality, which is number one, to have good audio, even more than good video, is good audio on YouTube. So to up your audio content, you can have something as simple as this $20 lavalier microphone. Okay, you put on your lapel and use that. I'm using a desktop microphone to record this. Hope I don't hurt your ears too much. Now, on these lavalier microphones, they have a 3-ring connector. This will go in your smartphone or your computer. You can record directly to your computer. It also comes with an adapter to where you can plug it in. Okay, and now you can plug it in directly to your camera. Okay, so either way, these are both inexpensive choices. Next up is lighting. Okay, I have two lights, one there and one over here, shining on me. You can use something as simple as being in front of a window. Okay. Now make sure the window's not in back of you. Make sure the window's to the side of you or in front of you. Okay. Putting the light on you. Okay. If you're in a place where there are no windows and you have to make this video, then you can use lighting. You can use something as simple as clip-on shop lights from Home Depot. Okay, just make sure you get a daylight bulb for it. Okay, next up, proper setup in shooting. Okay, there are thousands of videos out there on how to do this. I use a program called XSPLIT Broadcaster. And as you can see down here, okay, are a whole bunch of scenes. Okay, I can go from scene to scene to scene to make the video. How to set up these scenes, very easily. But again, Google it, XSPLIT Broadcaster, how to add scenes. Okay. Okay, I neglected to tell you, no matter what you use, okay, you need a tripod. Okay, handheld cameras are not going to cut it. You need a tripod. And if you're using a phone, you're going to need an adapter for the tripod so that it can hold the phone. Okay, very important. Okay, moving on now. The next thing is editing a video. Okay, well, excuse me. There we go. Okay, this is a program called Windows Movie Maker. This used to be included free in Windows up until, I think, Windows 7. Okay. It's the simplest editor out there. It's very flexible. There's tens of thousands of videos on how to operate this. I'm just going to show you a real quick way on how to do it. Okay, so you take your film clips and you bring them in here. Okay, excuse me one second. Okay, you bring a film clip in. Now just for example, I'm going to bring another film clip in, and you see it'll append it right to the end. So now if I take the slider, move it to the beginning, and press play, you see it press test video 1, and seamlessly it goes right to test video 2. Okay. Now, when you're done, you have the ability to this to add text onto the screen. You can add captions. You can record over it. You can do a lot of things. Like I said, Google it. Windows Movie Maker, how to add text, how to add captions, how to add credits, whatever. Okay. When you're done, you press File here. You go Save Project As. Oops, excuse me. That's wrong. You go File. You go Publish Movie. No, Save Movie. And you make it for a high definition display. Here, that's 1080p. These were recorded in 1080p. Okay. So, I'm going to make it, and I'm going to make to my movie. Okay, I'll put it in camera roll and save it. And you can see it only takes a couple seconds to save it. Okay. And we're all done editing. Okay. Okay, the next thing up, now we have the video. Now what are we going to do with it? Okay, well, we're going to upload it to YouTube. So now, how do we go about doing that? Well, it's very simple. Now, this whole module assumes that you know how to use Microsoft Office, Word, PowerPoint, Excel, okay, and that you have a YouTube account. When you have a YouTube account, you get a page assigned to you. It's blank, pretty much, when you get it. It's not like this. And then all your videos and everything you upload go to this page. Okay? So now we have a video that we want to upload. Well, up in the upper right-hand corner, right where my picture is, so let me move that. And let me see if I can blow this up for you a little. There you go. Okay, you see you have a camera up here. Create a video or post. All right. So we're going to click that, and it says, do we want to upload a video or go live? Okay. Going live is a whole other ballpark. If you're interested in doing that, like to make customer testimonials or something, Google it. YouTube Live. Okay. But in our case here, we're just going to upload the video. All right. So when we go upload, we get this page here, which is our upload page. Okay. Now, I am going to make this as unlisted, okay, because I don't want it actually published to YouTube on my channel. Okay. But whether it's public, unlisted, or private, you still get the link to it. The only difference is on a public video, everyone can see it. Everyone can search for it. So after you're done making all your changes and everything to your video, you might want to change it from unlisted to public. Okay. So select files to upload. Well, I need here, select files to upload or drag them up there. All right, let me let's see. Let me drag the file that we made. Remember, this is our test one video. Okay. And now it is uploading. Okay. So the first thing we have to do is delete this. We have to make a title to this. So how to make edit and upload videos to YouTube. Okay. This is all a bunch of stuff that's on my thing. Okay, now you give it a description. At the very least, okay, copy this and paste it here. Okay. Now we have, I have things on my computer that help me. Okay. It says the processing is done. The reason this is just such a small video. So let me take and click done here. Okay. Here's our link to the video right here. Okay. Cut and paste this to a Word document. Put it in an email. Do what you want with it. Okay. So I'm going to return to editing here. Okay. I have okay, now we have to put tags on here. What are tags? These are the things that make your video discoverable. So we're going to say, first of all, a video. Okay. We're going to say YouTube. You don't need to capitalize any of these. We're going to say make video, edit video, upload video. Now, anybody that searches for one of these terms, like how to make a video, okay, well, you have that link in your thing. You're more apt to have that come up. Now, this tag tools down here, this is from a program I use called TubeBuddy. You won't have this, okay? We can go to advanced settings over here. And if you want to enable the age restriction, 18 plus, you can click this box. And then anyone on YouTube that's less than 18 won't be able to view this video. Okay, what category is this in? Well, I don't know. Maybe this would be how to, because it's how to make a video, how to edit it, how to upload it, okay? And our recording date is today. Okay. We'll go back to our basic info. Make sure everything is filled in, and we'll save the changes. Now, I'm going to use a program called TubeBuddy to get to my videos, which is, it doesn't matter. You have this capability here with YouTube. Okay, so here's this video that we just uploaded right here. So now I can go in and edit this. Go back to info and settings. Okay, look familiar? Okay, this is what we just left. Okay, so I can go back, make any changes to this I want. Okay, if I want to upload a custom thumbnail, okay, I can do that. I can use a program like Canva, C-A-N-V-A, Google it, okay, to make a custom thumbnail. Make it 1920 by 1080, and I can add it right there. Okay, if I press custom thumbnail, it says where do I want to go to download it. Well, of course, I don't have one for it. So everything looks pretty good with this video now. Here is where I would go and change it to public, which I'm not going to do, okay, because I don't want this video to be on my page. Now, if it was there, I could go back and delete it, but I mean, why even bother? Okay, so there's the total overview on how you shoot, edit, and upload a video to YouTube. Okay, you can start out as something as simple as your camera phone, your smartphone, a little lavalier microphone. Okay. You know, make the video. You can edit it, okay, on Windows Movie Maker. If you want a more in-depth editor where you can add transitions and make, you know, fade in, fade out, all these types of things. There are a whole bunch of free software out there, like HitFilm Express, DaVinci Resolve, Sony Vegas. You know, that there are plenty out there for you. So I hope you found this interesting. And until next time, this is John Bell signing off. And if you're going to get involved in YouTube, you're going to hear this all the time. So please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.